returning to Ellington after not having been here in Houston for too many years. Hundreds of these aircraft were based right here at Ellington Field. So listen and watch now as that airspeed builds, the energy builds. They've got the airspeed they need now to take the formation way up now with all the muster they can get. Gravity does what it does. It's pulling back on them, and over the top they go. And now watch as they perform the downward bomb boost. Brian Regan from Phoenix, Arizona, Steve Gustafson from Tallulah, Louisiana, are now going to oppose each other in the loop, and they are perfectly bracketing the F-35 and the F-16 fighters down below as the history flies above.